how to use formula column in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and log into your monday.com account. Once you are here, you have to simply go for work management. And by the way, this video production management is a template which I have downloaded earlier. So once you are here, you have to scroll all the way to right side, and here you have to go for plus icon over here and click on this formula. So once it opens up, you can choose your desired column, whatever you want to add here. So, and by the way, this is the information regarding to this specific column. So let's click on this. You can also play with these functions here. So let's add formula. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how to use a formula column in monday.com.